Welcome to the Crypto Factor. Welcome to another weekly show. Welcome to your favorite Crypto AMA on YouTube. I'm here to answer your questions. Any question goes. Make sure you put it down in the chat. I answer all questions, whether they're crypto related, non-related, doesn't really matter. This is your show. This is fun. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about cryptopreneurship, short videos, long videos, interviews, no matter what you can imagine. Well, not porn or anything like that. But anyway, we talk crypto here. So yeah, subscribe down below and hit the notification button only if you have a good time and only if you like this channel, if you have fun. So today we're talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about XRP. We're going to be talking about Solana. We're going to be answering your questions. And let's start with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is blasting off. And when I mean blasting off, it is blasting off. We're going to talk about targets. We're going to talk about when to take potential profits, and then we'll get into the good stuff. We'll go into the, the XRP stuff, the ADA stuff, or the whatever else you want stuff. Drinking my coffee here, by the way. Milk and sugar involved. Well, not really sugar, but sweeteners anyway. But yes, let's get started. Let's look at the charts real quick, and then I'll go to the chat and answer your questions. So make sure you pop your questions in. So right now, we are looking at Bitcoin, and we're looking at Bitcoin at 23,586. And if we can get over this wick of this candle right here, 23,730, which I believe we will, I can see us at least going all the way to 25,000 or 24,900, sometimes a little less, sometimes a little more. But that's the target we're looking at. Now, there's two ways you can play this. First of all, remember, we can always go down. So make sure you set your stop losses or your mental blocks where at the previous candle, of course, at the lows. And we can talk about that in a second. But where I'm looking at this going, I would be taking profits around 24,000 if you've already made profits since we called it at $15,600. Because that is good profits. I'm telling you right now. When I said to buy at 18 and 19,000, you can also take profits if you're trading, that is. Or you can wait for a small pullback around 24,000 and see if we go above it and go for 30,000. I do believe we're going to hit 30,000 in the short or mid term. So that's when you're going to take profits though, because guess what? We're going to have a pullback. And it's not about having a pullback that's going to be big or small. It's about having that pullback, being able to sell higher and buy lower so you can accumulate more Bitcoin. Does that make sense? Now, as I said, can we go lower? Yes, we can go lower. And if we went lower than, two ways you can play this. You can play conservative, 23,000. I wouldn't. I would go all the way either here to 21,678 or even around the 20,000. Well, it's 20,300. You could call it 20,000 psychological. But yes, we could have that pullback. But for me, this is the way I play. This is the way I trade. I swing trade. I don't day trade. So it's entirely up to you. But yes, that's what I'm seeing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is rallying. Bitcoin is doing great. And when everybody was telling you to sell before, I was saying no. Now it's time to start taking profits though. By the way, I'm drinking coffee, both milk and sweetener involved here, just to, pun off Ivan on Tech. Tell me what you're drinking at the house. Put your questions in the chat and I'll answer them. I see Johnny Midas. Hello, Paul, and greetings from Palm Desert, California. What's up, man? I also see David Connolly. Glad to see you here. Put your questions. Let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin. Let's talk about XRP, Solana, and altcoins. It's some good coffee. You can tell by the glasses getting steamed up. Check this out. See that steam? That's when you know you have good enough coffee. Anyway. So let's move on. Let's talk a little bit about XRP because I see a lot of confusion with my videos. You have to understand, when I make videos on XRP, when I talk about XRP, I have nothing against XRP. I really don't. I don't have anything against people buying XRP. I own XRP. I told you I bought back in XRP. The fact is that I trade XRP though. So when I told you to sell XRP before the SEC because of the charts, That wasn't, it was business for me. It was trading for me. I saw it in the charts, right? And when I told you to get out and get into DeFi, I saw DeFi going up and XRP acting like a stable coin. So when I told you to buy back XRP, it's not because I'm selling out on my opinions. It's like I see it in the charts. I'm a swing trader. Now, when I tell you that Bitcoin is going to go, if it breaks all-time highs, that it's going to go to $3 or $4, and I see it at $4 to $7 if it breaks all-time highs, that's not a bad thing. That is a good price for XRP. That is a good sell. Does that make it sense? That you make good profits like that, okay? So you have to understand, and when I tell you that XRP is centralized, it is centralized. I don't care what you say. It is centralized. I can prove it to you. I've made videos about it. It doesn't mean I have anything against XRP. I just think it's centralized, and I don't think it's going to go to $10,000. And if you think it's going to go to $10,000, if you're like deluded because of this one theory that some teenager put out there, or that somebody said from the XRP team, you're beyond helping. It's not going to go to $10,000, not anytime soon, not ever. It's just not. There's just too many. There's what, 100 billion XRP out there? In general, most is in Extro because it's owned by Ripple. It's not a bad thing. I'm just telling you that it's not going to go to that price. But let me ask you this. If it goes to $4 to $7, does it hurt you that much? You'll make some good money there, man. With a 10x, which if it goes a little bit higher, that is good money, right? Could it go to $10? Yes, that's an amazing money. Take those profits. Don't sell everything. Don't sell your initial investment. Take some profits though. Make some money. Be in that safe zone where you don't lose money. That's what I'm trying to tell people. People think it's going to go up to $10,000. They're going to get wrecked because they're not going to sell, and they're going to get wrecked, and they're going to make money, and they're going to be fucking poor again, just like last time before that. So just that's all I'm saying. Right? Let me look at the chat. Let's see if we have any questions. Crypto Clown World, my man. Good morning, Paul. Hope you you are well, bud. Yes, I am, man. Thank you very much. I just finished my coffee myself. I also just started a YouTube channel. I'll check it out, man. Maybe everyone should check it out. You know, this sounds like a good name. So check out Crypto Clown World. Abbas Khan, Paul, I like you. Thank you very much. Good man. Best wishes and thank you for your efforts. Thank you very much. Abbas, I really appreciate it, man. When is the XRP SEC case going to finish? I was telling you about 2 years ago, we don't know. It's a court case, it's a running court case. Every few months I keep on hearing it's going to end now, it's going to end now. I was getting people in the beginning saying it's going to end like in a few weeks and you'll see it. No court case finishes in a few weeks at this magnitude. You know, you have like IOUs, which are much less, that take a few years to get over, right? I don't know when the XRP case is going to be over, the Ripple case is going to be over. We'll see. Really, we don't know. I think BitBoy Crypto is a little bit more of an expert in that because he studies it more, he's onto XRP more. Me, not so much. I just look at price and analytics. I don't care about the news. I really don't. I just look at price and analytics. And logic. Chris Main, my man, what's up, boss? Bitcoin going to 30K? Yes, sir, I think so too. Let's have a look at it real quick. It's about to break that resistance area. It's about to break that resistance area right here. I don't see why not. I really don't. Let's see what happens. If it breaks this, it should go up to next resistance. If it can break that, 24,800, whatever that is, then yes. Yes, it can. What is your realistic price? Oh, wait a second. Yes. What is the realistic price for XRP? If it breaks all-time highs, which is around $3, I see it $4 to $7 in 2023 in the bull run. In a hyper bull run, maybe $10. Maybe, but I'll be taking profits a lot before then. A few dollars won't make a difference. I'm getting upset because I missed the altcoin deep. No, we haven't. There'll be the altcoin. There'll be altcoin season, and you'll get a lot more gains. Don't worry about it, Shah. You're not late. No one times the bottom, even though we called it multiple times. No one grabs the bottom. Thanks for the plug, man. Much love. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. Yeah, sure. I'll collab with anybody, bro. You know, I've collaborated with channels that have many more subscribers than me, millions as a matter of fact, especially on my other YouTube channel. And I've collaborated with channels that had 5 subscribers. I have no problem, man. Are we in a bull market now? We're in a bull trend, Johan. If we were in a bull market, it's wait to be seen. There's a lot of macroeconomics going on that may change things day by day. What am I doing? I'm not even looking at my camera. I was looking at my my screen. But we're in a bull trend. If it's a bull market, we'll wait and we'll see. And we have a super chat by Crypto Clown World. This guy called the bottom. I didn't see anyone else hit it. Mad props, Paul. Thank you very much, man. Really appreciate you. Appreciate the shout out too. I appreciate the shout out to a lot of people. Now they're saying it might be the bottom. I called it 6 months before. And made a bet with Gareth Soloway, which I won, which was till the end of the year, which is pretty cool. We're gonna, by the way, Gareth Soloway will be on the channel tomorrow night. So you'll get to see that video either tomorrow night or the day after, depending on your time zone. Greetings, Paul. What's up, Ahmed? I too put milk and sugar on my coffee. Yeah, it tastes better. I think we have a lag, by the way. Shai is saying we're lagging. Yes, it does seem we're lagging, but don't worry. Get your questions in the chat. I'll answer all of them. Good evening, Paul. What's up, Torsten, my man? We have quite a few members here. I see Shai, I see Torsten. Thank you for being a member. Really appreciate you. Appreciate the support. If you guys want to join as a member, it's very simple. You just go to my YouTube channel here. Go to any video or even the homepage, and you will see a join. Well, okay, you won't see on the homepage apparently, but if you go to any video, right here on the left side, you'll see a join button. Please go ahead, join. I would appreciate it. It's very cheap. It's just for support. But if you don't want to do that, don't worry. I will ask for a like though. If you like this video, I really will appreciate it. Just like myself there, because why not? What's up, Hania from Houston? Great, sir. Care of your health. Thank you very much, Arvind. Or Arvind. No lag on my end. Awesome, man. If we break 25K and go to 30K, and then we're going to go pull back at what level? That's a good question, Shah. We don't exactly know. I suspect we're going to go back to the 25K or 20K psychological. I like looking at psychological numbers on the pullback, but also realize we never always hit them. We either go a little bit beyond or a little bit before that. So if 25K psychological is a psychological number, it's where people will set buy orders. So I believe that will be the first one, but we might not hit it. We might hit like 25,300. Now we can pull out charts, we can do technical analysis, we can do all those diagonal lines. But if you really look at it, if you want to really keep things simple and keep things real, you'll see that even all these lines always like a little bit above, a little bit below. It's not exact science, right? So on pullbacks, I like to look at psychological numbers, unless it's something with previous support or something like that, which we mentioned earlier on in the beginning of the video. But generally, that's where I see it. Are you still holding Fetch? Yes, I am. I'm still holding Fetch AI and EdgeX. I'm going to be holding those for a while because I bought very little, so I don't care about it. I don't care about losing $1,000, for example. But also I did that because I don't want to watch over them and trade all the time. So I'll probably sell them in when we have a confirmed bull market or in a hyper bull market when the prices are up. And if they don't go up, it doesn't really matter to me because I already made profits from Bitcoin. So I put Bitcoin profits into altcoins. That's why I don't care. That's why I keep on telling everybody, take profits. Hi Paul, how are you doing? I'm doing great. Kirvendra, thank you very much. Hope I didn't butcher your names, by the way. Sam Eyes, I just subscribed now. Thank you very much. Really appreciate you. You're one of the realest, and I appreciate your content. Thank you very much, Sam. Really appreciate you as well. I really do. I see Evagoras Sava saying you are as legit as possible. I love getting these comments. I think 30K is going to be a big resistance. Yes, it is. What are your thoughts for that? Well, it's very simple. Oh, Cyprus, my man. I'm actually half Cypriot, by the way. So let's put it this way. In the previous bull market, when we first pulled back from the first top, I actually called the double top as well. Not many people know that. You should go back and look at my videos. I called the double top. I said either we're going to double top and go back down, or we're going to break that after a pullback and we're going to keep on going in an extended bull market. Okay, the first one was right. So I called the double top once I called the bottom from the previous high, which was 30K. I think we went down to 29,800 in some exchanges. So because I called that bottom, I really researched for that bottom, 30K. And that was really strong support. So it only makes sense for it to be very, very strong resistance. Does that make sense? So I'm eyeing 30K like a hawk. Once I see 30K break and make 30K support, that's the bull run. For me, that's the bull market now. And now I'm waiting till the halving for the hyper bull market after that and so on. That's the way I see it. Might miss a few, might get a few, but that's basically the rules, right? Atom going to $22 or more in the near term. Chris Main, not sure about the near term, but 2023, I believe it's going to go more than $22. George says, what do you think the interest rate's going to do on Wednesday? Don't know, don't care. Don't know, don't care. Listen, it's everyone that seems, there's a lot of people out there that want to show they know what they're talking about. And there's only a few people that know. Even economists get this wrong, okay? It's very complicated because it's not just about interest rate. There's so many other factors involved and people don't like to admit they don't know what they're talking about. So you have a few top dogs calling some predictions which have a basis. Then you have everybody else parroting what the hell they're saying. And I'm talking about economists and everything, because there's big economists and small economists. So, I mean, let's take Bitcoin, for example. Nouriel Rubini predicted Bitcoin to go to zero every bull run, every bear market, okay, for the last 10 years. He's one of the top economists in the world, but he's wrong. So, this interest rate thing is so complicated, even the Fed doesn't know what's going to happen because there's so many other variables, macroeconomics and things that are going on that you can't predict. If it was so easy to predict and know what it's going to do and everything, if it's going to help, if it's not going to help, we wouldn't have this problem in the first place. So I don't look at the interest rates that much. I look at price. That's how I hit the bottom. Everyone's saying interest rate's going to go high. That's why it's impossible. It's impossible. You're a fool. You're a clown. You're a clown. Well, yeah, but I'm a rich clown. So I don't look at it, man. What I think's gonna do, 50-25. But this is pure speculation, coin flip, right? Because I don't know enough. I don't know what I don't know to be able to make such a prediction. Does that make sense? No doubt Paul is the only one who... I'm also the one that said that FTX is going to be irrelevant. It's going to go up very fast, and we did go back up to the same levels in 2 months. That was just logical to me. I just did a Mount Gox sort of comparison. I saw the price and I saw it not going down as much as it's supposed to be going. I'm like, this is a bull market because it should have gone a lot lower, and that was my confirmation, my after the fact confirmation. I'm like, listen, guys, get in. Abbas Khan says, no doubt Paul is the only one who called the bottom, if it is the bottom. If it is the bottom, yes, you're absolutely right. It might not be the bottom just yet. We'll have to see that, but I think it is. Remember the name. Also, Paul always gives you good coins, no shill. Yes, and if I ever do shill a coin, if it's ever a sponsored video, I always say it's sponsored in the beginning. I always put it in the text. I also put it up here in the top left corner through YouTube. And I call out red flags. I actually got in trouble a lot of times for calling projects that paid me scams in review videos because I called them out. I told them, listen, this is a scam because this, and this. But the good thing is the idea is this, and this. So I'm always honest. I try to always be honest anyway. And I always try to be transparent. Is it the best time to buy AI coins? Look, AI coins should be part of your portfolio, in my opinion. I made videos about this and I explained why. Now, if it's the right time to buy right now as we're going up, it depends on your theory. I would wait either for confirmation over 25K, or I would wait to go lower for a pullback first. It all depends on your time horizon and so on. Please, sir, what about smooth love potion? You want that smooth love potion? Jevis, get that smooth love potion. Listen, I've seen smooth love potion. I'll admit I bought very little just for fun because I had this change on Binance or on PancakeSwap or somewhere. I'm like, what I'm going to buy, and I bought some. I never studied it. I don't know nothing about it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it does, so I can't really recommend it. I didn't even look at price action. I literally just had some change. I think it was like $50, so I just threw it in there. What do you think about XLM long term? Well, it's ISO 022 or 2022, so it's going to run with the hype. If XRP runs, that's going to run along with Quant and some other cryptocurrencies. It's a good trade in that regard. You can play it, right? I would definitely be taking profits mid bull market towards hyper bull market though. Or in the hyper bull market. I think XLM is very strong. By the way, technically it's fucking amazing. Sorry for my language right there, it just slipped out. I know things are built on it. I know United Coin is built on it. It's pretty good. And it's fast. Any 50x coin. I'm not gonna try and shill and call 50x coins right now. You see, most people that do that, they put it in the title so they can get the views. Otherwise, there's no reason to do it because you don't know if it's gonna go 50x or not. So everything, that's all speculation and lying just to get the views. Believe me, if you call 10 coins are gonna 50x, some of them are probably are. People always remember the successes, never the losses. So you lose 8, win 2, get the views. Even if you're wrong, yeah, but you get that one, and then you get all the views and the subscribers, right? I don't want to do that on this channel. But I do make calls. I do make predictions. They're just more logical and more conservative. Hit that like button, by the way, if you appreciate that. If you appreciate logical, conservative calls and not just shilling just to give hope and get subscribers. What 5 altcoins would I buy now? Great if I bought now. Okay? I'm not telling you I will or not. Bitcoin and Ethereum, obviously, right? I would definitely buy Matic. I would definitely go for Gala coins if you want some risk there. I would definitely go with Mana or Sand. And just because I said Bitcoin, that's not an altcoin, I would also go for Solana or Ethereum. SLP got hammered in the bear market. Yeah, makes sense. Smooth Love Potion, right? I think that's what it stands for. Bro, why no one talks about Algorand? I think Algorand's great. Exodus.io wallet is built on Algorand, by the way. A lot of people don't know that. I actually, I used to talk with, I even have an interview with JP Richardson from Exodus.io. And he told, and me and him both agreed that the next bull market, the one that's coming right now, Algorand should do very well. So I think Algorand is a great cryptocurrency, and I think I should make a video about that pretty soon, by the way. So thanks for pointing that out. As a matter of fact, let me take a quick picture of this because I don't want to forget, because I've been meaning to do a video on Algorand for a while. So that's a good one, good call, man. If you have to pick one, Matic or Optimism, Matic. Both as a layer 1 and layer 2, by the way. Plus, just because price action and what I've read about it. And the fact that we're building Bitbulls.io using Ethereum and Matic. Abbas Khan, Paul. Plus Paul has good energy and positivity. Listening to Paul makes bull or bear markets a bit less stressful. Yeah, man, thank you very much. People thinking the bear market is going to last forever, huh? And the bull market too. Evagoras, I do believe that if we don't break 30K, we can have much blood on the street. Yeah, but listen, people have been talking about 50% pullbacks, and I said months ago, I said, yeah, okay, we can have a 50% pullback. What if we have it at 30K? And I didn't use 30K by accident. I used 30K because I know that's heavy resistance because of my previous support at 30K. So basically, if we go to 30K, we lose 50%, 40, 50%. What is that? 15,000. What is that? Double bottom formation to keep on going higher. So it's very possible. But we can do it at 40 or 50K as well. So you have to keep that in mind. What's my possibility breaking 30K? I think we'll break it. I just don't think we're going to break it this month or next month. But we might. I don't know. We have to see momentum. We have to see price charts. We have to see how it responds to certain factors. Yes. Hey Paul, hope you're keeping well. I am. Thank you very much. What's your opinion on Injective, aka Injective? Look, so I haven't really looked into it. I'm going to be honest. I've looked into it a little bit, which basically means that my opinion, because I've looked into it a little bit, and not deeply enough, my opinion is actually dangerous because I could be very wrong. So I don't want to talk about it because I don't know much about it. Don Speciality, my dog. Woof? Oh, my dog! As in D-A-W-G, my dog! Thanks, man. So, it took me a while to compute that. I'm sorry. You told that in the quarter one that we can see a massive dip. Yes, we can. Matic to hold, OP to trade for Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's not a bad strategy, by the way, or bad opinion. I agree with Crypto Clown World on that one. You're looking good, sir. Thank you very much, James. Honey, please also make a video how to recover your wallet from seed phrase to another hot wallet. Very good idea. And it's very easy, by the way. Everyone just, you know what the problem is? Everyone explains it very complicated. They complicate shit. It's very easy to do it. Extremely easy to do it. I'll make a video about that. That's actually a good idea. That's a good evergreen video. Thank you, Hania. Ken Fowler, I bought 2 Bitcoin at the peak. Ouch! Just wait. You have no choice right now unless you need that money. Just wait. Should I wait until 50? And that's just non-financial advice opinion. That's what I would do. Should I wait till 50K plus to take profits, or should I take money on the way up? It really depends on you. I can't advise you on that because I don't know your risk-reward ratio. You have factors. I don't know how old you are. I don't know what job you do. I don't know how much money. That's why financial advisors come in here. So it's very hard for me to advise this. Trying to buy and sell to improve situation quicker. You're looking healthy. Thank you very much, Ken. That's a hard question. I would just hold. I would just hold and try and put more money in, to be honest with you, at that point. But I'm just high risk. I'm telling you right now. Double bottom at 15K, totally possible. Will be similar to 2015, I believe. Yep, pretty much. What's up, Paul? Thoughts on ICP? I think I answered that a little bit earlier on. What do you think about ADA? I like ADA. I think it's going to do good, but I want to see the price action and see how it goes. I would basically take profits from XRP, put it into ADA, and then back into XRP on the way up, because I noticed last time, I'm not sure it's going to work again, so I have to see the levels. But last time we just did this, then this, then this, then this, with ADA being this one, and then obviously they both went down. Maybe it's going to be a repeat of something similar. I gotta see. It's too early to know right now. Top altcoin to stay away. Top altcoin to stay away? You mean like buy and hold? Ethereum? Oh, or to stay away from it? I'm not sure what you mean. Waiting for the dip, hope it comes soon. I think it'll be okay. I don't care. Either way, I'm good. That's because I set myself up that way. That's why I have no stress. Because you set yourself up where if it goes down or up, it's both good. Do you know what I mean? And that's what I was trying to tell some people at all-time highs. Set yourself up. Waiting for I already read that. Be glad you've got 2 BTC. That's also, yeah. Be glad you got 2 BTC. Very few people have 2 BTC, by the way. Stay away. I think that he means SafeMoon or Poo Rocket. There's a new scam now, or a really big shit coin. Let me show you it. You want to see it? If you heard of somebody called SafeMoon Joe, right? Let me show you real quick. Give me a second. Let me just find this. If we find SafeMoon Joe, and the only reason I'm not picking on SafeMoon Joe. I just saw the scam coin there, right? So if you go to SafeMoon Joe, he used to be SafeMoon Joe. Now he's called Squidgrow Joe, right?
Man, that name.
Now it's called Squidgrow Joe, and basically he stopped promoting SafeMoon. He actually made videos against me and took him down after. Because he was saying I was wrong about SafeMoon. I called the top on SafeMoon. I said it was a scam. I said they weren't going to do anything with exchange. I said that I talked about the blockchain before it was even a thing. I told him I was 100% right about SafeMoon. Everything I said about SafeMoon, I was 100% right. And I'm not showing off. I just was. I was wrong at other things. I made videos about it, right? And I said that people were going to lose their money, and him and a few more YouTubers made some videos against me, saying I was talking shit, and I was lying, and blah, 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 and I was shill, and blah, blah, blah. Shills, by the way, people that call people shills are usually the ones that shill themselves. I'm not saying Joe did this, I'm just saying. So he made some videos saying about how he stopped with SafeMoon, and he was wrong about SafeMoon. He deleted all his SafeMoon videos. If you go to his channel, you go back, you'll see that it doesn't go that low. Give me a second. There you go. It starts right here. Generational wealth, blah, blah, blah. I wish there was clickbait. He's like, Safe Moon Army, I'm quitting, blah, blah, blah. I was wrong. I'm sorry. Could you forgive me? Great. Okay, fine. I forgive you. I forgive you. Okay, I forgive you for attacking this channel, me, calling me a clown, saying I was wrong, like really, really confidently. That's fine. I forgive you. Why the fuck are you promoting scam shitcoins again, dude? So if you go to the channel here, he's now promoting this thing called Squid Grow, which anything, Squid Grow, Aqua Goat, fucking whatever stupid name you can possibly think of. Let's go to Squid Grow right here real quick, okay? Let's go to Squid Grow, the website. Control V. Squid Grow. First of all, let me ask you something. This is a scary picture, but let me ask you, who in their right mind as an investor would invest in something called Squid Grow? What the fuck? That's the extension, WTF. Let me bet my life fortune on something that ends with WTF, because it's very serious. It's very, very professional. Anyway, let's keep on going here. And I'm not saying he's scamming you. I just think he's a sucker and he's wrong, and he was wrong before, he's going to be wrong again, and he either scams people, it's a possibility, he's getting paid by them, or he's getting suckered in and he's going to get wrecked along with all his audience again. I'm not saying he's a bad person. I actually think he's a good YouTuber. I think he knows how to build a story and convey his story. I think he's good at that. But he's either being scammed or he doesn't know what the fuck he's doing in crypto. I'm just telling you right now. And it's not, and I don't get it. I really don't get it. Anyway, and you go down. Okay, Squid Grow, safest growing meme utility token. By what basis is it safe? Let's continue. Meme, Squid Grow is a meme token. Utility, staking, liquidity pool staking, and utilities already released. More utilities to come. Stick around for more. Sure. Let's just release shit that we don't know why and that we're doing it just because they sound cool. I bet you it's going to implement AI at some point. With the owner of the token being a day one SHIB holder, the connections and possibilities for marketing are endless. Great, so you're betting on marketing. Let's keep it on going down. Of course, the marketing is endless. So he's basically good at marketing. That's why the possibilities are endless. Okay, let's keep on going. 4% buy tax. So your tax for buying and selling 4% that goes to the other person that's holding Squid Grow, whatever it's called, which means what? It's a fucking Ponzi scheme. Let's keep on going. That's basically what a Ponzi scheme is, by the way. 12% sell tax. So basically you can't sell without losing 12%. 12%! How is that going to have utility to do payments and so on? Because that's my argument with Safe Moon, by the way. It's a scam. It's a Ponzi. Let's keep on going here. And they might even make this cryptocurrency without knowing it's a Ponzi or a scam because they're so fucking stupid. They just care about making money. They're just copying Safe Moon. Let's go down. Phase 1, team recruitment, create socials, create logo. You don't put these in a roadmap, create logo. What? Come on, dude. Community growth and development, okay. PCS, stealth launch, release utility, staking, initial marketing push to channels and influencers, contests and giveaways, KYC. Okay, sure. Now check this part out. The team. Shibtoshi, owner and main dev. Mysterious, elusive, legendary, and loaded. What source? What source? I don't even see him. There's no link to who he is. He's anonymous. There's a Twitter account which is also anonymous. Let's keep on going here. A Redub, core team as CFO, Australian. How do I know he's not Austrian? Who has been in and out of the crypto space since 2011, came to the BC. If you were in cryptocurrency in 2011, you wouldn't be on BSC making shit coins unless you're a scammer. And then finally, the marketing director, Dane. Marketing director, Texan with 7 years full-time crypto experience, former NCAA athlete, strength, read more. Coach, professional gamer. Okay, this guy got scammed to get in the team, or he's selling out and getting paid to be on the team. Well, if you're getting paid for being on the team, I guess you're not scamming, you're just being hired by the thing. He may not even know this is a scam. Wait a second, cryptocurrency skills, including leadership, management, marketing. Yeah, that's not cryptocurrency skills, that's management skills. I bet you he just got into, have taken part in several high projects to huge, I never heard of them. Those include Veracity. Oh, why did you get fired from Veracity or left for Veracity? Anyway, I don't know. But I'm looking at this Floki coin, Cat coin. It's all shit coins. Okay. And this guy, okay, let's see. Let's go over here. Let's go to his Twitter. Dane Cryptoblast. What's your surname and name, sir? Advertising and Marketing Agency, Texas, blockchainbrothers.co. So basically you got hired as a marketing director, which I think is great. You've been in crypto since 2016. Okay. But this is if I trust you. This is what I'm looking back, by the way. I forgot I pushed the wrong button. But how can I trust you? Where's your LinkedIn? Where is your background to this, man? Anyway, and why would you get into something called Squid Grow? Price chart, because that's what matters in scams. 18.6 million, 140 million, how many circulating supply? 1 trillion tokens? 1 trillion tokens? 1 quadrillion max supply? Are you fucking kidding me? Now, here's the funny part. Auditors, right? Forget this one. Let's go to Solidity Finance. Watch this. It's been audited. No one's going to click on it. I'm clicking on it right here. Consider resolving these issues. Problem 1. The team has not addressed this yet. Problem 2. Problem 3. Problem 4. Contract overview. Read all this shit. Auditing, they're just auditing the smart contract. Read all this shit. And if you understand about crypto, all you have to do is do that. And you will see that basically it's complete crap. It really is. Now, if you want to do this easier, I'm going to end my rant right here. I just get really bothered by these things. Because these are the kind of things that are bad in crypto. And I'll tell you why they're bad in crypto. A, people are going to lose money because they're going to get scammed. If not now, they're going to make money now. And then they won't be able to sell because of the tax. And it's designed in a way to last as long as it can before it just vanishes. Because it's not sustainable. And if you understand how this works, tokenomics and stuff like that, you'll understand it's not sustainable. And it doesn't do anything, okay? It really doesn't do anything. It's just set up like a Ponzi scheme. That's it. It's designed to last as long as it can to the hyper boom market, make a lot of money, people pull out, and that's it. Now, and they own most of the supply, by the way. You could read that too. Now, check this out. If I go to my channel here real quick, if it's hard for you to do your own research, go to this video right here. Wait, let me go back to home. There should be a search. There you go. Put DYOR. See this? Do your own research. Secret method. How to do your own research in cryptocurrency. Watch this video. It's a 12-minute video. You'll learn how to do your own research without going through all these things. It's simple, it's fast, it's efficient. It works in business, it works in careers, it works in cryptocurrency, okay? Really, that's it. Man, rant over. Let's go to the chat. And let me close all these tabs real quick. Safe Moon Joe is Squid Grow Joe. I think he's being suckered in. So you don't think it's a good buy, ADA now? I think only Bitcoin, Ethereum, Gala, Sand, Mana, things like that are a good buy right now, because if they go down, I believe they're going to go back up. I have been DCA to reduce price. It was money I could lose and just, okay, that's okay. Yeah, it's altcoin bottoms in. No, we don't know that yet. Do you hear the news of the second richest man, Adani Group manipulation stock? No, I don't. But again, manipulation is part of the game, so it's just, you just expect it, right? If FTX proved anything, it's don't trust any celebrity or influencer. It's a matter, yeah, I agree with that, right? I agree with that. And as a matter of fact, I warned against FTX, I warned against Celsius, I warned against a lot of these type of investments. I made a mistake with Luna, right? Super chat, $100, man. Bilal, you rich, bro. You be doing good in this bear market, bro. Salam Habibi, tell Gareth that I'm paying for his stake in advance. Thanks, man. I appreciate you, Bilal. Much appreciated. Crypto Clown World is laughing. Altcoin Degen is laughing. If a person with a name like Altcoin Degen is laughing at a coin, pay attention. It means it's a complete shitcoin, right? You can't be called a Degen, and if you're making fun of a coin and you're a Degen, that's just so much more, right? There's just so much more emphasizing credibility there. So yeah, I agree with you, man. People getting rugged by these dudes. Yep. Create logo to profit. Yes. 3 profit. Brother, please look at Moon River later. I'm not going to look at Moon River right now because it's not the right time to look at Moon River right now. It's not. It's too low cap for me. Let's look at the mid caps and the higher caps, and then we can look at Moon River and stuff like that. Where can I buy this shitcoin so I can put some of my Bitcoin? Yeah, it's just made for taking Bitcoin. Exactly. Appreciate it, brother, for looking out. Thank you very much, Ahmed. Crypto Clown World is just laughing. What else could you do? You just laugh at this shit, man. You just laugh at this stuff. Make sure you put your questions in the chat. I'm answering all questions in the chat. Make sure you like this video if you're getting value and you're enjoying this video so far. Hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. And if, as I said in the beginning, if you are getting value, if you like this video, if you are watching this video, you actually like it and you think it's something that you can watch, then please go ahead, subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the next video. I do surprise live streams, I do 60-second shorts, I do reviews, I do interviews with some of the most successful people and pioneers in the world of cryptocurrency. Please go ahead, subscribe if you intend to watch this channel. Shah says scams are everywhere every day. Yes, they are. Bilal says, I'm a barber, I do pretty well. Yeah, man, not from me. But yeah, man, I think it's a really good job, man. I think being a barber is a great job. It does pay good money. I know a lot of barbers, they're all chilling, man. They all have really nice cars and everything, man. So I'm glad you've been doing good, my man. Teaching technical analysis yet? It's going to take too long, Shah. Teaching technical analysis, I'm thinking about it. I'm still thinking about it. I've got to check it out. We shall see. Any more questions? Only shave. Yeah, only shave. And I have a buzzer too. I have one of those buzzers they have in barber shops with a cable. So I buzz it first and then I shave. Because if you try and shave it without buzzing it first, you come out like patches everywhere, like you have some sort of disease. 200,000, that is good money, man. That is really good, Bilal. That is awesome. I think that you're probably in America or somewhere where they actually make that kind of money. But I think in Greece it's a lot, it's like half that, if that. But yeah, it's good money. What are your thoughts about Terra Luna? It's gone, dude. Like, give it up. She's gone. She left you for another man. She left you for another man. Terra left. No, Luna left. You'll never see her again. You might hope she comes back. But the question is, do you want her to come back? Because if you get her back, what says she won't do it again? Right? And how many people have she slept with? Do you really want to be in there again? Do you really want to go all in that again? After it's been, I don't know. I don't think so. I don't go back out with whores. USA, Ophilon, Illinois. Awesome, man. That is nice. That is nice. I haven't been to the US, by the way. My sister lives in the US. I got a lot of friends in the US. Never been. I'd love to go. Price prediction of Gala Games. Again, with the price predictions, too soon. It's too soon, Shah. I keep on saying every time that in videos that people that give price predictions right now are talking shit. We don't even know if they're going to exist soon. We do not know. I'm not saying they're not because I like Gala Games. I'm just saying it's too soon to make predictions. You can make predictions maybe with some older cryptocurrencies that have been around for a while, like XRP, because you go off all-time highs. And you go over price action during the bear market. So you can do it on XRP. Maybe you can do it on Solana and Matic. You cannot do it on Gala Coins, not yet. 2023 lows for Solana. I think they're in, man. But we don't know. But I think they're in. Price prediction for Sandbox. There we go again. Price prediction for this. Like any price prediction right now, I'll give you a secret. Any price prediction right now that makes sense is double the previous all-time highs if they break all-time highs. That's the most conservative, best kind of prediction I can give you. Crypto, you're gonna be traumatized to take a woman like Terra back. Yeah, Terra Luna. Even the name should have hinted it, to be in hindsight. Like, she dumped me, I lost my money. That's fine. It was good while it lasted. I accept it. In hindsight, her name was Terra Luna. Terra Luna. She's a $2 hooker or a dog's name. Stay away, give it up. There's something else coming out. Which ledger do I use? I use the Ledger Nano S, and I'm upgrading to the X. And I have a lot of wallets, man. I have, wait a second. I have, where did I put them? Yeah, I have a lot of wallets, dude. I have these wallets here. These are little gift hard wallets. I'm actually planning to do some videos with these. I have a Ledger Nano X. I just bought another Ledger Nano X. What else do I have here? I have some Eli Pal. They're in my cupboard back there. I'm not gonna go right now. I have a couple of Eli Pals. I'll make videos about them. Big ups, thank you, Euro Nation. What do you think about Ethereum next year? Ooh, nice one, 5 to 7,000. Sorry. Yeah, I believe 5 to 7,000. I think I can go to 10,000, but I'd be taking profits at 5 to 7. Trust wallet is safe? Yes, if used properly. I'm late, oh my God, I've been so busy. I'm sorry, me, but watch the replay. It's quite interesting. It's an interesting video. Arizona Ron, I only have one ledger. Is it necessary to store your crypto on multiple ledgers? No, it's not necessary. I have one for backup, and I just like I have different accounts, and I just like, you know, I'm a bit of a fanatic. Plus, I like having different ledgers, different emails for what I'd sign up on services for, just so I can have everything split up. So if something goes wrong, I still have the rest. I'm just very paranoid when it comes to security. Is Kraken a safe, trusted exchange? One of the safest, actually. I think it's very safe. I think it's a very good exchange. I don't use it personally, but I think it's great. Portfolio video around the $1,000 live on YouTube. That's a good idea. Let me take a picture of that, Shah. That's a good idea for a video. I only have one ledger. Okay, I already did that. Cardano versus Solana versus Hex. I think... Ooh, that's a good one. So Hex, I always said it's a good cryptocurrency to make you money, but it's set up like a Ponzi. And I said that, and I got attacked by the hexagons. Now, hexagons, you have to understand, hexagons are, you know, that are listening right now. I actually stake Hex. I'm in the 5555 club, and I said it really depends on Richard Hart. If you trust and you have faith in Richard Hart, sure. But you have to understand that it's set up. It's not a Ponzi, but it's set up like a Ponzi, which means it will make you a lot of money. Now, is it going to have another run? I don't know, but I'm holding my Hex. Cardano versus Solana. I think Solana is going to do better than Cardano, even though Cardano is probably better tech, just because of the investors and everything and the way they're doing it. Plus, they've proven that they can go offline most of the time a year and still get money coming in. So, I wouldn't bet against Solana. I have no thoughts on Phantom. I think is okay, but let's see what happens. I think it's too early to know. ICP, I hear Bitboy Crypto really studying and going in on it and everything. I'm not, so I can't really talk about it. Filecoin, I think it's going to do well. I think it's before its time, but it does not mean it's not going to make money. Hey, Paul. Hope all is well, brother. Oh, Renan de Montenegro. How are you, my man? How are you? Nice seeing you. We disagree on a lot of things, but I love seeing you. But we also agree on a lot of things, by the way. You know I will definitely watch it from the start, bro. Awesome, man. Really appreciate you, brother. Thoughts on SHIB. I'll tell you my thoughts on SHIB. Are you ready? SHIB, okay. Ethereum is to Bitcoin what SHIB is to Doge. Let me say that again. Ethereum is to Bitcoin what SHIB is to Doge. In other words, if I buy any meme coins, and I do own some, by the way, I would only buy SHIB coin and Dogecoin. Anything else, I might do a quick trade in and trade out just for fun if I am in a gambling mood, but I would not get into anything else. SHIB and Doge, I'd get into. Not financial advice, not telling you to buy now, just telling you that if it goes up, it'll make you money. Better than other meme coins. Kraken is safe, but be careful with leverage on that exchange. Yeah, leverage shouldn't do anything. Like, you shouldn't use leverage anywhere on any crypto exchange. Scam wicks, yeah, they hunt for wicks, by the way. I don't know about Kraken, but they do that in general. Web3 altcoin, too early to tell. Solana is a buy now. It's been a buy since I told you to buy at the lows. Not sure if it's a buy now. We might go back down, but it's definitely. Oh, we're about to break. Almost about to break Bitcoin right here. I wanted to break this resistance area right here with volume. Volume starts going up. Look at we're above these EMAs. Yeah, definitely 24, 25K, and if that breaks, 30K. Your take on Pirate Chain sounds like a scam. I haven't seen it though. I might be wrong. Just anything, usually pirate this, pirate that sounds. I might be mistaken though. I'm not sure what it is, so I can't really answer. Thanks for the info. You're very welcome, James. Still worth to buy Bitcoin right now or wait for a pullback? I would wait for the pullback and wait for 25K to become support. But buying now, if it's like with part of your money as an investment and then waiting to buy lower as well and dollar cost average sort of thing will make an average, that's not a bad thing. Greetings from Tokyo, Japan. What's up, Tokyo, Japan? Good to see you back on track. Thank you, Henry X, my man. You look way better. I feel better, bro. Good, more energy and everything. Health is the best investment. Yes, it is. Do you have 5 coins for the next bull market or 7? I mentioned them earlier in the video, but let me tell you 5 coins real quick, or 7. You ready? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Solana, Mana, or Sand. And I'll give you one more. Let me give you XRP, I guess, if you're into that. That might be a good bet, by the way. Or, give me a second here. I don't have Blockfolio anymore. I can't really look. Or Gala. I think so. I think that will be it. I had like 5 coffees today. Crypto Crown Word says Bitcoin looking real strong, Paul. I went depth TA on my channel this morning. Ethereum bunch of alts also including. Yeah. Thank you very much, man. Yeah, it's nice to get confirmation, by the way. I'll check out your channel as well, dude. Is it better to invest in one and then the next? Not sure. Wait, this must be a continuation. Well, yeah, now it's Bitcoin and Ethereum, dude. We're still early for that. And if they go down, you can actually use Bitcoin to buy altcoins lower. So it's safer. So I would go for Bitcoin or Ethereum right now, to be quite honest. But the cryptocurrencies I gave you are pretty much a good bet. They're all on top. And Gala has good price action and so on. What do you think about Bitcoin? If it's Bitcoin, if you're talking about Bitcoin as in BTC, I think it's the best coin ever. Or DCA all for small investors. You could DCA all. I would wait for a pullback first though. I would go just for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then later on for pullbacks, go for the altcoins. Don't forget that even in the biggest bull market, Bitcoin will go down 30 to 50%. 40% is normal. So even if we're in a bull market going up like crazy to 60,000, still going to pull back 40%. Now, when that happens, altcoins pull back a lot more. So you can always get altcoins a lot lower, even if you miss them. Alex Becker is said that we can still go to 50. But I just said that, and I don't give a shit what Alex Becker says. Sorry about that, Shah. It's just that I get a lot of people telling me, Alex Becker said this, Alex Becker said that. Well, you know what? Alex Becker's been wrong like 70% of the time, right? I don't understand why people keep on saying what Alex Becker says. He's a great YouTuber. He has great insight. I agree with a lot of things he says, but he's been wrong so many times. And even if he is wrong, I don't watch other people's predictions. I have to tell you this. First of all, I haven't watched Alex Becker for a long time because I don't have time to watch him. But second of all, it doesn't matter what he said. Like, you have to take your picks, man. How big position in Solana? And not only that, I said that we can go down from 25K, and if that breaks, we're going to go down from 30K. And I also said we can double volume from 30K. But it doesn't mean 100% is going to do that. I hate certainties. So we might never go down there. How big position is Solana for my portfolio for the next bull market? I can't give you advice on that, not because I'm not a financial advisor, which I'm not, but I don't know your portfolio, don't know your risk-reward ratio, don't know what else you invested, don't know how old you are, don't know what career you do, how much you make. That's why I say I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know how to calculate your life savings and your life finances. So something that fits for me doesn't fit for you. I mean BitDAO, Bitcoin, I don't know anything about it. What camera are you using? Very clear video, thank you very much. This camera is a Sony ZV-E10. It's a mirrorless camera. I got the kit lens on there. It's actually a really good camera. I'm very happy with it. It's great for live stream, but also great for video. And I don't even have it set to 4K, which you can. What do you think about FTM, bro? I think FTM is okay, but I still want to wait and see what it does, depending on what Bitcoin does. I think it's still early to bet on that. Becker hasn't made a video in months too. He's great, but he missed the bottom. He wanted people to sell after FTX. Yeah, and I was saying no, so I disagree with him a lot. Do you think Amazon will pump all gaming when it will pump some gaming coins? Yes. This is how crypto works. But it's also very true that it could be a sell the news event, so be careful. But long term, I think it's very good. Which crypto use cases won't have a chance due to centralized competitors? What? Which crypto use cases won't have a chance due to centralized competitors? Look, okay, got you. We don't know. This is what I've been telling you people in all my videos and my bear market videos especially. We don't know. It could be a certain cryptocurrency that has great utility, but that utility can become obsolete, may not be needed, or maybe something better comes along. Now, which ones those are, I don't know. That's going to take a deep dive. But definitely, that's why I keep on waiting to see price action. See, I go off of technical analysis, and I look at price action, and I see response rates and stuff like that, and that's where I go off. That's why I'm saying it's too early to know. So yeah, but great question and great observation. It's very true. Henrix, if you had $500 per month, would you buy one after one or spread the crumbs? Well, you could dollar cost average every month $500. I would buy 50% in Bitcoin and the rest in Ethereum and altcoins. Now, that could change after a few months, depending on price. That's the thing. There's so many levels you look at technical analysis. There's so many things you need to look at that everything changes every month. I can't just say DCA to you into certain coins because things might change, and things do change. There's a difference between a hyper bull market and a bull market. There's a difference between a pre-bull market. There's a difference between the halving, before the halving, after the halving. There's so many differences, I can't just answer that question. That's why every few months I make new videos and tell you, okay, we've done this, let's look at this. And if that happens, then go here and look at these levels and these ranges because obviously nothing is exact, right? Do you think e-gold will come back? I made loads from it last bull run. Usually new bull runs, new cryptocurrencies make more than the ones that I already have. Unless you're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, which is more of a stable thing. They're just like more guaranteed gains. So don't expect things just because they did well in the past to do well again. I'm not saying it is or it isn't. I'm just saying count your chickens. I don't know where I got that from. I don't even know what that means, by the way, count your chickens. When we're in a hyper bull market, you have time period that's it's after the halving. Hyper bull market's always after the halving, at least up to now. My ledger doesn't take half the coins I have, and I put them in Trust Wallet too. Your ledger does take half the coins. If you have a ledger, and I'll make a video about this, I guess, and you delete one of the coins in your ledger because you don't have room, and you put another coin in there, when you put that coin back, you can still see your coins. So you can only see on screen a certain number of coins, but you can go in, deactivate and reactivate through the manager and still have those coins in the blockchain because they're not actually in your ledger. Your ledger controls your coins in the blockchain. Does that make sense? But the code stays the same. The hash stays the same, so you can still read it. Greetings. What's your honest opinion on Kronos and Binance Exchange in the next bull market? I would go with Binance over Kronos. Kronos could pull it off, but I didn't like the way they did their marketing. I think they overspent their marketing last time. And I think they might have trouble in the future. I might be wrong. But I think Binance is much more, how can I put this, responsible, if you will. So what is your prediction on the hyper bull market after halving or before? After. I think we're going to have an alt season before. But the hyper bull market will be after the halving. E-Gold renamed to Multiverse X or something like that. Well, Crypto Clown World, thanks, man. I didn't even know that. Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you for being here. Please hit that like button. Please hit subscribe if you don't want to miss any more videos. And believe me, you do not want to miss them. And thank you very much. I love each and every one of you. I love these shows. I'm planning to do more live streams during the week as well. But yes, I'm glad I'm back. I'm feeling better. And I love all of you. Thank you very much. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.